Living in Redington Beach, Florida, means enjoying ocean breezes, sunshine, and the coastal lifestyle that makes the Gulf Coast so special. But while homeowners often focus on keeping their homes cool and energy efficient, one important factor often gets overlooked: indoor air quality. The air inside your home can significantly affect your health, comfort, and even your home's energy performance. Surprisingly, one of the most effective ways to improve indoor air quality is through proper window installation. Modern, well-installed windows not only enhance aesthetics and efficiency but also help you breathe cleaner, fresher air year-round. Let's explore how quality window installation impacts indoor air quality for Redington Beach homeowners. The problem: poorly installed or aging windows. Older or poorly installed windows are one of the main culprits behind poor indoor air quality. In a coastal environment like Redington Beach, salt air, humidity, and wind can cause gaps, cracks, and leaks in window frames over time. These imperfections do more than let in drafts; they allow moisture, allergens, and pollutants to enter your home. This can lead to several indoor air quality problems, such as mold and mildew growth, especially around windowsills and frames; pollen and dust infiltration, aggravating allergies and asthma; excess humidity, which can make your home feel stuffy and uncomfortable. In addition, old or damaged seals can cause condensation to build between glass panes, trapping moisture that encourages mold spores. In Redington Beach's humid coastal climate, this issue is particularly common and preventable. How proper window installation improves air quality? A professional window installation does more than improve your home's appearance. It ensures your windows are airtight, insulated, and moisture resistant. This precision directly enhances the quality of air you breathe indoors. Here's how. Airtight seals prevent pollutant infiltration. When windows are properly sealed and aligned, they prevent outdoor pollutants such as dust, pollen, and exhaust fumes from entering. For coastal homeowners, this is crucial. Salt particles and sand can easily penetrate poorly sealed windows, leading to unhealthy indoor conditions. Reduced moisture means less mold. Humidity is part of life in Redington Beach, but moisture entering through leaky windows can create the perfect environment for mold and mildew. Proper installation, combined with insulated glass and tight seals, prevents condensation buildup and blocks outside humidity from seeping inside. Better ventilation and airflow. Modern window designs, like casement, awning, or sliding windows, allow for controlled ventilation. This lets you bring in fresh air without compromising comfort. A professional installer ensures these windows operate smoothly and close securely, balancing airflow with energy efficiency. Energy efficiency and air quality. A dual benefit. New, energy-efficient windows not only reduce your utility bills but also contribute to a healthier indoor environment. By maintaining stable indoor temperatures, they help your HVAC system run more efficiently and minimize the circulation of dust and pollutants. For example, low emissivity glass coatings reflect heat and UV rays, keeping your air conditioner from overworking. Double or triple pane windows provide superior insulation, preventing outdoor air and contaminants from entering. Argon gas fills between panes act as a barrier against both heat and airborne particles. These features work together to create a more balanced and comfortable indoor climate, one where you can breathe easily, even during Redington Beach's humid summers. The importance of professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform properly without expert installation. Local professionals understand Redington Beach's coastal climate and can ensure your windows are installed to withstand humidity, salt air, and wind exposure. A trained installer will use weather-resistant materials to prevent corrosion and leaks. Apply proper caulking and insulation to eliminate air gaps. Verify that your windows are correctly fitted and balanced for ventilation and performance. This attention to detail ensures your windows function as intended, protecting both your home's structure and your family's indoor air quality. A healthier home, inside and out. By investing in proper window installation, you're not just upgrading your home's look, you're creating a healthier, more comfortable living space. Clean air, reduced allergens, and stable humidity levels all contribute to a better quality of life. In Redington Beach, where the climate can be both beautiful and challenging, maintaining high indoor air quality is key to preserving your comfort and well-being. Final thoughts: your windows are more than just portals to your view. They're a vital part of your home's airflow, insulation, and overall health. When installed properly, they protect against humidity, allergens, and pollutants, ensuring that your Redington Beach home stays fresh and inviting year-round. If you're noticing condensation, musty odors, or drafts, it might be time to consider new, professionally installed windows. With the right materials and expert craftsmanship, you can enjoy beautiful views, improved energy efficiency, and cleaner air, the perfect combination for coastal living.